Hello, good afternoon. My name is Vivian Ortiz, and today I am going to talk about ocean thermal energy conversion. Harnessing ocean had as an environmentally friendly energy source. A tech system aimed to harness ocean had as an environmentally fragile energy source. Its proponents claim that it is constant and permanent, unlike other renewable energy such as wind or provokant, would not use only are we do. First step and considerable investment is needed to build a planet. Around 50 to 100 millones dollars for a small planet of this. Step 2. The operation of planet on a commercial scale has not yet been demonstrated. Step 3. Others is only suitable for operation at scale with a larger thermal gradient and close to the ship. Step 4. Is it ecology controversial as the ecological impact had the planet will have on larger scale has not been proven. Step 5. Is it ecology controversial as the ecological impact had the plant will have one larger scale has not proven. Step 6. There is no regulatory framework for tech operation. Thank you so much.